Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. The Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator is a technical trading indicator that helps to identify support and resistance structures in the market. The Ichimoku Kinko Hyo version is the modified version of the Ichimoku indicator. To apply this trading indicator on the chart, type the keywords Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Select the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo EP version by Rick Simpson. Before we delve into how this trading indicator works, I need to explain some of its major parameter settings and functionalities. Under the Input section, there are a lot of parameter settings and functionalities. Therefore, as a beginner, it's advisable to leave the default settings. You can tweak these settings in the future once you're familiar with this trading indicator. Under the Support and Resistance settings, this option helps to plot horizontal lines on the trading chart. The resistance will be plotted in red color, while the support will be plotted in green color. There is also the option to plot psychological levels on the chart. Enabling this option will allow the plotting of the psycho levels. Also, under the Style, there's availability to modify the signal shapes. As we can see, the triangle pointing down signifies the bearish signal. This is indicated as a red triangle on the chart, and the triangle pointing up signifies the bullish signal. This is indicated as a green triangle on the chart. Traders can modify this color to suit their color of interest. It's time we proceed to learn how this indicator works in the market. The first step to apply this indicator for a reliable trading strategy is to search for a trending market. This could be a bullish trending market or a bearish trending market. Therefore, let's start with a bearish trend to see how this trading indicator can help to detect trade setups in the market. A bearish trend is formed whenever the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo forms an upper cloud above price. Here is the signal here at this medium. Once this is formed, the next step is to patiently wait to see a bearish close of price below the blue line. The last step is to wait for the formation of a red circle to give the confirmation of the sell entry. Close your sell position whenever the price makes a bullish close above the blue line. Short-term traders can close their profit whenever price shoot below the lower line of the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator, which is the dynamic support line. This line is at the bottom here. Alternatively, traders can close their sell position at the green support horizontal line. A long-term trader can close their sell profit whenever the green triangle shape is formed on the chart. A long-term trader stop loss is suitable above the red line that is above the blue line in the downtrend. This red line at the top of this blue line. For an uptrend, a bullish trend is formed whenever the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo forms a lower cloud below the price. Here is the signal here at this medium. Once this is formed, the next step is to patiently wait to see a bullish close of price above the blue line. The last step is to wait for the formation of a green triangle to give the confirmation of the buy entry. Traders can add to their buy position at each bearish pullback to the blue line supported by the formation of a green triangle or circle shape. Close your sell position whenever the price makes a bearish close below the blue line. Short-term traders can close their profit whenever price shoots above the upper line of the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator, which is the dynamic resistance line. This line is at the top here. Alternatively, traders can close their buy position at the red resistance horizontal line. A long-term trader can close their buy profit whenever the price closed below the blue line in an uptrend. A long-term trader's stop loss is suitable below the red line that is below the blue line in the uptrend. In the next video, I'll show you my 100 times back-tested trading result based on this trading strategy. Make sure you don't miss the next video. Peace.